Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video. And in this video, we'll take a look at a template that I created called Making Decisions. Now, for context, in a recent Zakir Khan interview, Zakir Khan is an Indian stand up comedian. In a recent interview, he mentions how he makes decisions and he uses these criteria. So I thought, let me put these criteria on paper over here in a Miro board so that everyone can actually use it. And visualization obviously is a great tool to make your decisions and to just have with you. So, speaking of this template, making decisions, what you'd have is these nice colorful post-its on top. In the first column, what you do is you would make a note of what is it that you want to decide on, right? So it could be taking up a job, doing something else, taking up a project, whatever. In the first one, you'd put that as a post note. The next three colorful boxes are just the three decision factors, the three criterias. What you can decide on is, will I earn something? Will I learn something? Or will I meet new people? Now, this is a sort of yes and no question, and to what extent, right? So, will I earn something? Yes, and if it obviously helps you with your living, of course, you can put yes in this box. Will I learn something? Sometimes, not everything is done for money. Sometimes you have to take up jobs so that you can learn a new skill. Internships are a great example of this. It may not pay you well, but it gives you a foot in the door of an industry that you want to be in. And will I meet new people? Again, not everything is about earning or even learning. Sometimes you might even want to expand your network for something that you want in the future, and you can take up certain jobs so that it gives you access to meet new people. Now, in the final column, you'd put your verdict of the decision, and this could be yes, I want to take up this because of so and so reason, or no, I don't want to take up this job because of so and so reason. Now, Zakir Khan, his suggestion is to say that if one and a half of these three criteria get full, so like if 50% of this gets full, then you take it up. Otherwise, you don't take it up. But then that is something up to you. If you want to put more weightage on one of the other, then that's up to you. Or even if one out of two gets fulfilled, and that is good enough for you, that's fine. This Miro board is about having your thought process written down in front of you so it can be visualized, and you can make an informed decision. So all of these notes in black over here is just an example of what it might look like. And of course, to get the template, you would click on this blue use template button so that you can get a copy of this Miro template. Now, a link to this template will be in the description of this YouTube video. And of course, do like this template, share this template with your network. A similar context of what I just spoke about is also mentioned here if you would want to have a read through. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Do engage with this video and this channel by liking this video, sharing it with your network, and also subscribing to this YouTube channel, and that helps a lot. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.